Hello, I'm going to take a video for DAB radio. And first, let me show you the DAB radio parts one by one. And here is our DAB radio adapter. And this one is our socket holder. And this one is car charger. And this one is active antenna. And an active antenna instructions and product instructions and some adhesive clips. Also, there are two clips. One is for audio cable and one is for charging cable.
Install DAB antenna and how to use DAB radio. First, install DAB antenna. This is DAB antenna, which has 3 meters long and it's long enough to install in the car. This is earth cable, which has many on it. And this is sticky part of the DAB antenna. Insert this cable on the DAB antenna. Please make sure that they are set up very conformly. And the many parts should be on the same direction with this sticky part of DAB antenna. The many parts should be attracted on the metal part of your car. If it was attracted very well, you will hear a sound like that. And then tear off the protective film of the DAB antenna. And stick it on the windshield. After that, use these self-adhesive clips to fix the cable on the windshield.
If you want to make your car look much better, you can install the DAB antenna on the A or B column. I'm going to show you how to use DAB radio adapter. First, stick the suction holder on the dashboard. Then, plug the DAB antenna into the DAB antenna port. Then, stick the DAB radio on the suction holder. Then power on the DAB radio. Plug the car charger into car lighter. I would suggest to you to use our own car charger because it is better to receive signal when you use DAB radio with our standard car charger. Then, now don't turn this button. It can auto scan the DAB station. As you can see, we found 4 DAB stations nearby. Next, connect the DAB radio with the car stereo. There are 2 ways to connect them. The first way is using FM transmission. I'm gonna show you later. The second way is using AUX cable. If your car has audio input, I would suggest to you to use AUX cable. Not only it is the easiest way to set up, but also it has no noisy and no interference during receiving the stereo signal. Then go to the setting of car stereo and switch into AUX mode, and plug the AUX cable into the AUX out of the DB radio. FM transmission. Turn the car radio into any empty channel. It can reduce much noise. Shoulder press this button to enter into FM transmission. Hold the M button to adjust the DB radio frequency, which should be the same with the car radio frequency. Shoulder press the menu button to go back DB radio list. Hold the M button to choose the station you want to listen, and press M button to confirm. In order to get the best sound quality, you can put the car stereo volume 60% down. Press M button to turn dB up to the max volume. If you like radio station, you can non-press the preset button to save the stations. Hold the M button to choose the place, and short press M button to confirm. As you can see on the screen, it shows the signal strings, Bluetooth icon, etc. The DB has 4 play modes. The DB mode we have mentioned the Bluetooth mode, AUX mode, SD card mode, but it is not showed on the screen. But once insert the SD card into the slot, the DB radio will automatically play the music. Right now it is playing the music from the SD player. Also, we can change the songs one by one. Then we are going to the Bluetooth mode. Pair the phone with DB radio via Bluetooth connection. And right now you can have hands-free phone call or music streaming over car stereo system. Right now there is an incoming call. Short press this button to pick up. Short press this button to pick up. After finish the phone call, convert the station, press this button to hang up. Double press this button, we can refuse the calling. Also, we can connect with our phone's MP3. Right now I'm going to show you it is playing on. Also, we can adjust the volume on your mobile phone. Next, we are going to show the AUX in mode. Use the AUX cable to connect MP3 with DB radio for music streaming. Now it is playing music from the MP3.